Renuka, in her first avatar, when she was working for ICICI Venture, she had invested in PVR. She understood our space very well. She also understood how to give the entrepreneur the space to grow and at the same time be there to guide as to what decisions would be incrementally good for the company and which cannot be good for the company. Partnership where nobody is interfering with other person's domain. So you need the growth capital to grow your business. At the same time, you also need your space to grow your own management styles. That's a big learning, how an entrepreneur whose journey is very different and how a private equity journey, which is also for a period of time, how they can both work together if you still sort of have a very complementing understanding. The consolidation, the M&A activity, that was very important for us, and that's been a very significant reason the way PVR has grown. Not only did she provide us with the capital, but she gave us the confidence and the courage to go ahead and take those big leap of faith decisions. So I would say that it's not only the risk capital that you're looking for, but also somebody who's got the same risk appetite and then can show you that, listen, if you do take this jump, even then things will be okay.
Biggest impact Multiples has had on us is really, I would say, improving governance, improving the quality of financial reporting, and sort of bringing in the sort of focus on the structures and the processes that we would need as the company matured. We were first-time entrepreneurs in our late 20s. Our thinking was really limited to scaling the business, but not scaling the underlying processes that were essential for the business to scale. And so Multiples came in and brought the discipline around accounting, around financial reporting, setting up the right committees on the board, thinking about bringing independent directors onto the board. And I think that really changed the way that we thought about the business and set us up very well for the next couple of years. I do think that our interactions with Multiples made us a more thoughtful business and fundamentally a more sound business. One area where Multiples and Sudhir and Renuka specifically pushed our thinking was around our less than truckload business. It was a new business that we had set up and was likely to be quite unprofitable for the first year and a half. And I think there was general nervousness around the board as to whether it was too early for us to be in this business. And I remember Renuka asking us the question, simply saying, is this important in the long term for Delhivery to build? And we debated this for several weeks. There was a lot of conversation back and forth saying, why this mattered to our enterprise customers. And I think it was interesting to see that Multiples sort of did anchor the discussion at the board, eventually saying that yes, the less than truckload business was critical to Delhivery and important for us to build. And so we would have to bear with those 18 to 24 months of unprofitability in between. At least personally, I thought that was a hugely bold call by a private equity investor when actually some of the venture capital investors were a little more concerned about whether we should build this or not. And in hindsight, would we have continued to build the business? Likely, but I think it would have just made for a much more nervous boardroom if Multiples hadn't anchored that conversation.
Having a small company mindset. So as a promoter, we were running the business for 15 years. And we never thought of having a professional CEO running the company. And the input from the team have opened our eyes to have a professional CEO, which was a major decision for us.
We have ups and downs in the business. 1 year is good, 1 year is not so good. And the biggest learning was when the things are going good, everything is okay. When the things are not so good, the patience what is exhibited from Multiples team was outstanding.
So the kind of trust and the faith shown to us by the Multiples team, the patience, the perseverance and the empathy towards us and the business, what they've shown, it was quite amazing. In the normal circumstances, people would have panicked, after, investing in a company.
So they were all supporting us, they were willing to work with us, they were willing to understand the market situations, they were willing to guide us at strategic levels, and of course the governance and the amount of patience they kept with us was extraordinary.
Mr. Rajiv Gulati introduced me to Multiples through Sridhar on 31st March 2016, and within 112 days after conducting more than 8 due diligence audits, we concluded the whole deal, including the money got transferred in our bank on 21st July 2016. Incidentally, that was my birthday, 50th year. 8 due diligence audit in less than 45 days, I was thoroughly enjoyed the way we were challenged on every single aspect. So that gave me that idea that my thinking of perfection, my thinking of doing everything right in a systematic way, I think they are carrying the same values. One big thing what I derived from multiples is how to think big irrespective of the bad conditions in the market. Multiples gave us that confidence that ultimately believe in yourself and focus on science and technology, which we continuously kept on doing. So one big learning what we had is when our chips were down, how to behave and how to nurture a team. We have built a team now which is one of the best in the country, whether be it R&D or operations or the supply chain. And multiples helped us a lot in terms of the HR perspective also. They suggested us coach also for me, and I underwent a real detailed coaching. That opened up my mind that when chips are down, you are not supposed to blame anyone or circumstances. On the contrary, you are supposed to focus more and sustain this period so that you can unfold a great story. Though as per our religion, destiny cannot be changed, but I can sense that from the current level of $50 million, we are in the path of achieving $200 million in next 3 to 4 years' time.